Cooking eggs 3 ways. First off, smoker. Preheat your smoker to 225 degrees. If you have farm fresh butt nuggets, wash the bloom off. If not, put them into the smoker. We're going to smoke these for 4 hours. Alright, make sure you don't crowd them where you have just a little bit of gap on each side. Gotta let that smoke roll. Alright, for your chips, I'm going to recommend apple, maple, or alder. We're going to go going with maple. Alright, next up, Korean sauna eggs. Yes, pressure cooked for 4 hours on high. You can get these egg cradles, of course, at Amazon, but I think I bought mine at Walmart. Okay, when you're adding your water, you want to get it to the top of the egg cradle, just to the top. About like that. Okay. I put the just for giggles. Helps if I have it on the right way. All right. On high for 4 hours. All right, next up is going to be what's called Mayak eggs. Spelt here, recipe here. What you want to do is get your eggs boiled however you want to do them, but you want them soft boiled where the yolk is like jammy. I boil water, get it boiling, I lower them in, and then cool them off after 8 minutes. That gives me the perfect egg. All right, make sure you rapidly cool them. Alright, so you want to get them after they're cooled into a vessel, a container, it doesn't matter, so long as it will hold them. That's how you want them to come out, jammy. Not runny, but jammy. Alright, in a medium saucepan, combine all the ingredients here. Simmer for about 4 or 5 minutes so that the honey dissolves, and let it cool back down to room temperature. Just remember to keep stirring so that everything's combined. Make sure the peppers are all rehydrated if you're using dehydrated ones. Just keep stirring. I like putting one whole pepper in there just for aesthetics. Yeah. Make sure, keep an eye on your smoke. Make sure you got plenty of chips in there. Looks like this could do a topper. Alright, time's up. Unplug it. We're going to let this naturally release over about 30 minutes. Alright. Let's kill the power. Look at those beauties. Look at those beauties. Okay, so what I like to do is cool the eggs quickly. I feel that it helps shrink them inside. It makes them peel easier. Alright, Korean sauna eggs. Pressure is released. Always lift away from you. Well, we had one sploder. Maybe two. Let's see if I can get these out of here. A couple of them. So I guess that's what you get when you use store-bought eggs. So it looks like 6 out of 18 were sploders, but they're still delicious. Alright, Korean sauna egg. Maillard, the Maillard effect, like when you're searing your steak. It's the same thing. Interesting study. Smoked egg. So the Mayak eggs got to marinate for at least 24 to 48 hours. I say 24 hours. These are really good. If you wanted less smoke, do it 2 hours, but no less than 2 because the egg will not cook all the way. It tastes just like baked chicken. That's the only way you can get a store-bought egg to taste decent. Really, really rich flavor. Very delicious. And the Mayak eggs will have a salty, savory, sweet type of flavor. Give it a try, guys. These things are awesome. Stay safe. Have an amazing day.